Hi, I'm Tom Fenton from Peerless-AV here at ISE 2022. Here I want to show you our LED range, our dvLED. Starting off with our kitted solutions, we have our Unilumin UPS on show here in a 1.5mm and a 2x4 configuration. Our standard kitted range works with many manufacturers. They all have X, Y, Z adjustment, and we can go to varying sizes, but also supply standard kitted sizes for full HD. We're also showing our universal trim kit to finish off the actual LED wall itself. Not only can we not just go straight onto a wall, we can create substructures, such as our Kitted Plus range. Here we're showing it as a floor-to-wall solution, but we can do floor standing, floor to ceiling, ceiling suspended, trolleys, standard freestanding. We can do bearing heights, pretty much up to 3 meters plus, and bearing widths. If we need more complex structures, that's when we can go into our seamless bespoke. And as behind here, we can show that we are showing a curved solution going floor standing up to the ceiling. We're using a Abson PL Pro on show here today in a 2.5mm with a 10-degree curvature going into a 90-degree external corner. As you go around the corner, you'll see it goes over an elevator shaft. This is really showing our capabilities in dvLED, big growth market for us, very exciting. And if you want to know more information on this, please visit our website at www.peerless-av.com.